We recently have been asked, how do I clean my bits thoroughly? Now, I'm not really going to get into sanitation or disinfection and what your state dictates as far as that. But I am going to tell you how I cleaned them and how it actually prolongs the use of your bit and it gets it really, really clean. I've just finished a nail. I haven't, actually was just destroying one of Greg's nails that he had sitting here. And as you know, after you're done, we have like this dusty bit. And what a lot of people do is they may kind of dust it off a little, kind of brush it, and then they take it and they kind of just dump it into their acetone to kind of dissolve things, and they let it sit. The problem with this, and we'll kind of come back to it, and I'll show you what it looks like in a few minutes. The problem with doing this is not all that dust was actually pulled from the bit. And as it starts to dissolve it from the bit, if you've been working with acrylic especially, it starts to dissolve it. Gel's not going to dissolve, it's going to stay in your bit. But if it's acrylic, it starts to dissolve it, and we kind of leave it in the acetone. We forget about it. It starts to evaporate. It dries back onto the bit, and we never really even got the dust out of the bit. We need to get the dust out of the bit before we do this part. How are we going to do that? I was taught a while ago to use a pink eraser. So I'm going to, yes, a pink eraser. This is your childhood flashback right here. We're back to kindergarten. We're getting our big pink eraser out. I'm gonna get another bit, and I don't know if you can see all the dust that's accumulated into it, caught in the grooves, and it gets impacted in. So we're gonna take that pink eraser, right? We're gonna turn our electrophile on. Let's crank it up to 10. And take that bit, and we're gonna take that pink eraser and we're gonna hold it to the bit. And what this does, I like to go back and forth to make sure I get the whole bit. We've got pink eraser everywhere, but if you look at the bit itself, it's actually nice and clean. Now we can take it off because we've removed all the dust from those grooves, right? Now we can take it off, get our acetone, and stick it in the dish. And past that, whatever your state board says to do, that's what you should do. I still like putting in acetone just to kind of really make sure it's clean. And then I used to put it in Ultronics, was the disinfectant solution that I like to use. But you can see now, just by even doing that, let's get a good look at it. Look how clean our bit is. Guys, if you do this, you're going to extend the life of your bit, because what happens if it gets impacted with dust and you're never getting it out, it becomes duller quicker because there's no grooves. You're filling in the groove space. So therefore you're gonna have to replace your bits a lot sooner. So my little tip and trick, I forgot the person that helped me and showed me this. I thank you for that person that did, because it really makes a huge difference in your bits.
I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. Also, if you didn't know, we're on so many other channels. Check us out on TikTok, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, Snapchat. The list goes on. Please, please, please check us out.